Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to register in BPI Online Banking. For that, make sure you get the application. Now this kind of page will pop up. Simply tap on Next. Now simply tap on Get Started. Now here you can see two options, open a bank account or register with an existing account. We need to tap on Register with an existing account. Now here you need to choose the product that you have. Now here you need to enter your deposit account number. After that you need to enter your date of birth. Likewise, you need to solve the math equation. After that you can simply tap on Continue. After that you will be led to another page where you need to follow up some instruction, and if you follow it accordingly you will be registered for your BPI Online Banking account. Remember that BPI Online Banking account can be only done through your mobile application. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.